don't know if you can tell on the camera there, that thing has not used a lick of oil. A little bit dirty though. Okay, the first oil change on your Grizzly comes up pretty quick. 15 hours is the initial change. I'm at 40 hours. I'm going to do another one just to see how the fluids look. The manual says we don't have to do a second oil change for 160 hours, and then the diffs are 320 hours. So I'm way early here, but let's have a look at what you need to do this anyways. So the oil I'm using, it's heavy, 20 W50. Oil filter, Honda Hypoid SA80W90. You need a 5 mil Allen wrench, 6 mil, 21 mil, and then a 10 mil here. Torque wrench. Okay, so I usually start at the back of the quad here. This is on the final drive. So this is the first bolt that you want to loosen off, 21 millimeters. This is your oil filler final drive bolt. Okay, so the oil filler bolt, this just comes right out. Okay, so the drain bolt for the final drive is right there. Okay, so there's the bolts from the drain on the final drive. Look how clean that oil is. And here, I just cleaned my hands on this. Super clean. Okay, so this bolt down in here, this is your, can you see that here? This is the level check bolt for the final drive. We're gonna untighten this next. Okay, there's a brass washer on your oil filler or your oil level check bolt. Do not lose that guy. Okay, so a little tip to get the drain bolt for the final drive back into place is to put it on an Allen key just to get it in there at first. It's kind of difficult to tell here. That helps thread it in. There we go, finger tight, and now you can torque it. Okay, so on the final drive here on the Yamaha, getting the oil back into this is a bit of a pain in the butt. So I made some tube here with a small funnel on it. And I find this the easiest way here. So that's like this. And there's a little funnel here to pour it in. I know you can get bottles that go in, but if you don't have a bottle, then this works just great. Okay, so there you can see down in here, this is the oil level. Just letting it drip out. I have a paper towel on the bottom here. So as soon as that stops dripping, then we'll put the bolt back on. Okay, so on the front differential, this is your filler bolt. This is 21 mils. I end up using the plastic hose and the little funnel to fill this up. It is a bit of a pain in the butt to get at this bolt, but that is where you check the level and fill up the front differential on the Yamaha. Okay, so front differential takes a 5 millimeter Allen. Okay, so for getting at the oil filter here, there are 3 10 mil bolts you have to take off. One here, one here, and on this one you have to support the other side with a 4 mil Allen wrench. Third one down on the bottom here, all 10 mil. Okay, and then once you pull that plastic piece off, small oil filter wrench, oil filter is right in there. And then a 17 mil bolt. 17 mil bolt for the oil is this guy right here. Okay, engine oil's been changed. Let's check it. And it's so clean you can really tell where it is on the level stick.